Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is fun, easy, and practical. All right, we're still on the simple interest series. We have another question here. John left 20,000 naira in a cooperative account for 2.5 years. If the rate is 5% per annum, how much interest does he earn? All right, so we have to calculate the much interest he earns at the end of the day. All right, having left the money in the cooperative account for 2.5 years. So how much interest will he have at the end of the 2.5 years? All right, so we are calculating the simple interest, right? And we remember that simple interest is principal times rate times time, and that's over 100, right? Okay, so we have the principal in this, the money invested, all right, which is 20,000, or let's say the money saved. The amount of money saved is 20,000 naira, all right? And then you have the rate of interest. It's 5% per annum, so 5% per annum, and then the time is 2.5 years, all right? 2.5 years. So let's take this to fraction, all right? So if we convert this to an improper fraction, we have 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5, and that will be 5 over 2 years, okay? And I told you that once you have a fraction, just put the numerator upstairs and the denominators downstairs, all right? So let's do that. We have principal, 20,000, all right? We have the rate, which is 5. The percent is this 100 we have here. We have the time, and then that's 5 over 2. So we'll write the 5 up, and then we'll put the 2 down with the 100, all right? Okay, so easy peasy math. We do 100, take 100 here, so 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So we are left with 200 times 5 times 5, and then 2 can go in 200, right? So 2 here is 1, and then 2 in 2 is 1, in 0, 0, in the next 0, 0. So we have 100 times 5 times 5, all right? So if we do 5 times 5, we have 25. 25 times 100 will be 2,500. All right, that's 2500. All right, and that's 25,000. Let's put the units. It's in naira, right? So at the end of 2.5 years, John would have earned 2,500 naira. At the end of 2.5 years, John would have earned 2,500 naira. So always remember the simple formula for simple interest: principal times rate times time divided by 100. And then if you have a fraction, just put the numerator of the fraction up with the other guys, and then the denominator with 100 as a multiple, all right? And then you do your division and get your final answer. So the final answer is 2,500. Thank you. Bye.